Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing the Hipshot bass extender, and the bass we're going to install this on is a Dingwall String Combustion-Z3, and let's get right to it. So it comes with, of course, the bass extender, comes with the alignment or mounting bass mounting screw, and it comes with the instructions on how to tune it and the instructions on how to install it. And it's pretty straightforward. You just need a precision screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and you could use wrenches, you could use sliding wrenches and such. Use adjustable ones. It's just simple. And I'm going to be cleaning it off once I take it off a bit. And, yeah, let's get into it. All right, so step one, we're going to remove this string. Okay, so once the string is removed, take the adjustable wrench and then you turn it counterclockwise and take off the old tuner. Something to keep in mind, the exact same order that you're removing it, you're going to be installing the extender in the exact same manner. So just try to remember the whole process. It's very easy. All right, so once the nut and the washer is removed, take the precision Phillips screwdriver and remove the screw from the existing tuner head, and there you go, pops right out. All right, so once you take the nut and the washer out, then you position the detuner, and then you guys will notice right over here, just trying to move it out of the way, there's a little alignment hole, and this is where the screw will be going in. So let's drop this right here. Once the detuner is kind of in place, take the washer. Put the washer back in. Take the nut, but make sure you put it in light. It doesn't have to be. All right, so once it's loosely in place, I mentioned, we turn the base around. Once the base is turned around, we're gonna maneuver this around to ensure.
Wait, so he's saying with auto care, I'll be able to review work anywhere?
So we need to ensure the alignment hole is exposed. Move it around as required. And once it's lined up, then we take the flat screw. Do not reuse the screw that you take off with the old head, because that does not have a flush head. So we need a flush screwdriver or flush screw. And we take our precision screwdriver again. All right, so once the whole unit is installed, we're gonna reinstall our string. If you're putting new strings, then that's great. And if you are reusing the same strings, all right, so once your string is installed, check your tuning, see where you're at. We're roughly at about E flat. So we're gonna try to see where we're at. And once we drop it, slight adjustment. We're a little bit over, which is okay. It's going to be very minor adjustment. And guys, just so you can see, the minor adjustments are right here. When you're trying to set up your drop tune, you make tiny adjustments here. So we're going to make a tiny counterclockwise adjustment, tiny counterclockwise adjustment to see where we are. And we're there. So we're gonna bring it back to our regular tune just to see we haven't lost anything. And we're there. So there you go, guys. This is how we install the drop tuner on a Dingwall Combustion 6-string Combustion-Z3. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. It's pretty straightforward installation. Just need a few tools and a little bit of patience. And yeah, should be, again, very easy. Any questions, feel free to message me. Follow my Instagram, follow my YouTube to check out more videos.